All right, so what we're going to do in this one is we're going to take some of these photos and we're going to turn them into a graphic style. So I'm just going to hide this layer, create a new layer, and I'm going to place the same object that we just did, right? So File, Place. We're going to look at this. Now I do recommend you having this already in a square format. If it's not, if you do embed and then go Object Crop, you can crop it to be a square. So here's the deal with this one. To make this a graphic style, this needs to first be a swatch. So we're going to take this and drag this into the swatches. Right, good, looking good. Now we need to apply this to an image. So you can really kind of get rid of this image and go ahead and fill it with that. Now you see what Illustrator does. It tries to like repeat this pattern. So one thing you can do is you can move this pattern around. If you hold down the tilde, which is the, I believe I'm saying that right, it's right next to the 1 key, it's a little squiggly. If you hold it, you can actually move this within it, which this does a pretty good job. Let's say it didn't. You can always use the scale tool and only transform the pattern. So in this case, small is not what I want. Maybe I want it at 110% and then do OK. So now I have this filled as a swatch inside of here. We go to where the appearance panel, which is not up. There it is. Right, and so now we take this and we're going to take it and drag it into the graphic styles. So let's see what that would look like. Right, so here's this, right, here's my graphic style, and there we go. Now this is really great to do with text. And we haven't really gotten to text. Let's change it to, what are we going to change? Let's change it to din, bold. And now I don't even have to rasterize this. I can just use this, and there we go. Now it's set inside of here using a graphic style. And I can make tons of graphic styles that same way by taking this and placing any image. All right, let's take this one. Place this image. I'm going to take it and drag it into my swatches. All right, first we have to embed it. Drag it into my swatches. All right, I'm just going to delete it because I don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to fill with this, and you can see there's that, it tries to do that edge, so I'm just going to move this a little bit. I like that. Okay, good. And now from here, right, now it's a graphic style. I need to make sure my graphic styles are up. I'm going to drag that right in there, like that. Okay, and so now it's a graphic style. So now I could take this same text, apply this graphic style, and there I have that text inside that image. And then we'll take this one step further in the next video and show you how to take this and rasterize this. So now this texture is now an Illustrator raster graphic, or Illustrator vector graphic.